Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County in eastern Arkansas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Maynard to near Dalton to 10 miles east of Mammoth Spring, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pocahontas, Reno, Maynard, Biggers, Robin D. Springs, Attica, Dalton, Elkins Park, Brakeville, Middlebrook, Warm Springs, Ingram, Cheyenne, 11 Point, Burgle, Hemel, Stokes, Angular, Durham, Elm Store. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Randolph, Arkansas.
Vanya.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Randolph County in eastern Arkansas, central Lawrence County in eastern Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pocahontas, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pocahontas, Walnut Ridge, Otsey, Black Rock, and Bowdoin, College City, Porsche, Okean, Minturn, Sedgwick, Powhatan, Whiskerville, Giles Spurs, Cheyenne, Burgle, Douglas, Elnora, Lordtown, Clover Bend, Calvin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm